Trump sort of presents tariffs as a way of bringing manufacturing to the United States. And is that something that they can do in principle while you're running a deficit, or are they n-
Yeah, I
that's not
mean,
how they function in practice?
most countries that have managed to industrialize have run tariffs to protect domestic industry while they do it. It includes America. Michael Hudson's PhD thesis was America's protectionist takeoff. Okay? So America banned the import of many British goods, and therefore you had to make them with American industry. And over time, American industry became more effective at making those goods than the British. So at that point, Americans became fans of free trade. So you get this pattern happening globally, that countries will protect their industries and then force those industries to rapidly industrialize to become better than their rivals. So this has been part of the whole process of development over time. Now, Trump, I mean, the way he's going about it is crazy, because it isn't just a case of putting up barriers. It's also what you do to encourage your domestic manufacturers to take up the slack that you've created by effectively banning or making more expensive foreign goods. And none of that is being done by Trump. And in fact, he's trying to encourage foreign manufacturers to come in a lot of those cases. So his own approach, as usual, is cock-a-hoop crazy. But the basic idea of industry policy and of using tariffs to reserve some of domestic demand for domestic industry, that's been a part of every successful industrialization program. And the argument that free trade is better for industrialization is simply wrong.